Good morning, children. This is the linear equation of two variables, chapter 4. So, already when I explained the second lesson, I told you what is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial or equations means the same. If degree is equal to 1, it is called a linear polynomial. For example, let us take 1, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here x power is equal to 1. Degree is equal, power is equal to 4. So, maximum degree 1. This is called maximum degree 1. So, when degree is equal to 1, such polynomials, they are called linear polynomials or linear equations. Okay, now here 1 is there. 1 is called constant. उसके आजू बाजू में, now here 2 is the coefficient. Now if you take the same equation, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2 is called coefficient. Okay, x is called variable and 1 is called constant. Okay, constant, always constant power will be equal to 0. मतलब इसको लिखेंगे x raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 2x plus 1 x raised to power 0. 2x raised to power 1 multiplied by any number raised to power 0. 1000 raised to power 0 1. 1 lakh raised to power 0 1. A raised to power 0 1. Any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So such polynomials, they are called linear polynomials. So this is the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, what is the standard form of linear equation? Standard form is equal to ax plus b is equal to 0. This you have learned in the, here only one variable is there. Variable is equal to 1. So such equations, they are called linear equations of one variable. Okay, when two variables are there. Till here 8th standard you have learned till here. Now we will be learning here second one, that is two variables. Two alphabets will be used. So that is why it is called. What is the general form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here x is variable, y is variable. Two alphabets are used. So that is why it is called. Now what is a? A is the coefficient. Already what are coefficients and all we have learnt in the second chapter. Coefficient of x. B is the coefficient of y and C is the constant term. So condition क्या है for the linear equation? This is the standard form. Okay, A, B and C simultaneously मतलब एक साथ should not be equal to 0. So such polynomials or equations, they are called linear equations of two variables. So x का power, now if you take x power is equal, degree is power is equal to 1, y का power is equal to 1, c का already I told you यहाँ 0 रहती है. So here maximum power क्या है? 1. So when maximum power को क्या बोलते हैं? डिग्री बोलते हैं. The degree is equal to 1, that is why it is called linear equation or it is also called polynomial. Okay, here condition is that here already I told you. Condition क्या है? A, B, C real numbers होना चाहिए and A, B, C should be equal to Ax plus A, x and y, they should be real number. They should not be square roots, irrational numbers. They should not be irrational numbers. Okay, supposing let us take equation सो एग्जाम्पल देखते हो 2x प्लस 3y प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. So this is a linear equation. This is a linear equation. So in place of, supposing if I write 2 root x plus 3 root y plus 4 is equal to 0, it is not a linear equation. Linear equation. Why? Because here x is irrational number. x का पावर क्या है? इफ़ यू टेक आउट द स्क्वायर रूट इट इज़ हाफ. ऐसे ही y का पावर हाफ. सो यहाँ क्या है एक्चुअली द एक्सपोनेंट शुड बी, देयर शुड बी इंटीजर्स. एक्सपोनेंट शुड बी नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. नॉन नेगेटिव integers. Negative, supposing ऐसे है x raised to power minus 1, so this is also not a linear equation. Okay, now supposing root 2 or one more equation, root 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, here it is a is equal to root 2. What I told, x and y variable should not be irrational numbers. Now this, if you take this particular equation, it is a linear equation. Linear equation because they are the x and y, they have the positive power. Positive power means here same equation I am writing. Root 2 x raised to power 1 फिर 2 y raised to power 1 is equal to 0. मतलब क्या है, कोएफिशिएंट्स a and b इरेशनल नहीं होना चाहिए. इरेशनल होएगा तो भी चलेगा, बट x and y वेरिएबल should not be irrational numbers. This is about the introduction. Thank you.